cooking some pig trotters. So here I have my meat clean, washed with lemon and vinegar. And these are gonna be my season. Normally I use all-purpose season, but today I run out of that one, so I have chicken season. So I have my powder season. This is paprika, this is allspice, and my bay leaf and browning. And also I have my powdered ginger. So I'm gonna put all these seasons on it, and I'm gonna add garlic also. I'm gonna do all of this, leave it to marinate for like half an hour. Normally I would do this from the night before, but yesterday I was a little bit tired, so I'm doing this today, and I'm gonna let it stay for half an hour, and then I'm gonna cook. Yes, guys, these are my season, and I'm gonna go season my meat. So this is my meat after adding all the seasoning, and I'm gonna leave this to sit for half an hour, and then I start cooking. So guys, my meat has been soaking for about an hour. I said I was gonna do it for half an hour, but I got caught up doing other things, so it has soaked for an hour. And this is my garlic and my oil, so I'm gonna pour this out. Allow it to dry, and I'm gonna pressure it. Allow it to get a nice brown color, even though the browning is on it. I'm gonna allow it to get browner. So guys, I've been browning this for like about 5 minutes, and I think I get the desired brown that I want. So to this I'm gonna add water. What I do is like pour some warm water in the container that I season it in. Whoa. And rinse that out and pour it in. So I'm gonna close this and pressure it for like 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes I'll add my season to it. If it's cooked, I'll add my season to it, and voila. So guys, this has been pressured for 20 minutes as I told you, and of course it's cooked. It's a little bit hard, not that soft, but let me show you for example. See, my fork can actually go through, but it can cook some more. So I'm gonna add these to it and allow to cook for like 10 more minutes. Then I had my bean. My bean is already cooked, so I'll give this 10 minutes to cook. Yes guys, So the bones, the meat is falling off the bone. So guys, after 10 minutes I have added my beans to it, and I had my beans to it last because I don't want them to crush out. So if you can see, they're in there. Yeah, my beans were already cooked apart and then added. When you cook the beans with it, then it get too thick, and I don't like it that thick, so I cook it apart. And if you don't have that bean, then you can also buy the canned bean. So yes guys, this is it, and it's done. Guys, this smells so good. Sorry that you can't taste it. It smells so good, and also the meat is coming right off the bone, as you can see. Look, right off the bone. No struggle to get it off. There you go. Yeah. And this is my brown stew pig trotters. It looks like, and I serve it up with some rice and vegetable. These are my beans, not crushed. And guys, I'm telling you, this tastes really good. And you can see that my meat is literally falling from the bone. Gabby is gonna do the taste test. Right, Gabby? You gonna tell Mama how it tastes? Is it good? Hmm? Good, Mama? Hmm? Yeah? Uh-oh. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you do enjoy. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share while I go comb Gabby's hair.